Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing a video today about everything locks, everything about my lock journey, everything about my experience so far, just the whole experience. I am ready for this one. I feel like it's needed as a way of reflecting on my journey myself, and then also to encourage everybody else who's on this journey or who's contemplating this journey, because we need encouragement on this journey. Like, there's no doubt about it. It's not for the faint-hearted, and I'm just trying to do my bit in encouraging other people on the journey. And yeah, I don't even want to waste any time. Let's just get into it. Why did I start my lock journey? Why? I started my lock journey because I was always going to have locks. I was always going to have locks. I've loved locks like forever. Like, I've always loved other people's locks. I think they're beautiful. The thick ones, the micro ones, the sister locks, all of them, they are stunning on men, women. Locks are beautiful, so there was no question about it. The timing, however, was always an issue, because I am someone who loves to do, I've always loved doing different hairstyles. Since I was allowed to start experimenting with my hair, I've experimented with everything. I've cut my hair off completely. I've dyed my hair blonde, platinum blonde. I've when I say I've cut all of my hair off, like, I've gone down, all the way down. I've done it all. I've done boho locks, so I got an idea of what locks would look like on me, and I love them. But yeah, it was just the timing, because I've enjoyed doing loads of different hairstyles. I always had it in mind that I'll probably start my locks once I became a mother, and that's exactly what happened. I was 3 months postpartum when I decided to install my locks. So I wasn't surprised, and it was for the reasons that I thought it would be, which was the convenience, basically the convenience, really, and just because I knew I was going to be in that era of my life where I didn't really want to experiment with my hair too much. I just didn't want to have to put that much time and effort into my hair. And yeah, like, my thinking aligned. That's exactly how it worked out. I've been locked from May 2024. That's when I installed my locks to begin with. I had a friend install them for me, but I didn't have reties. I wasn't interlocking my locks, and I was going too long without reties or retwists. So I would say that I technically started my locks in November, because that's when I got a loctician to start interlocking my hair for me. So I would say I've been locked for, technically I've been locked for a year. This month was actually my 1 year lock anniversary. I was relaxed before, and I cut off I had my husband help me cut off my relaxer, like a lot of it, so my hair was really short. So I've started my locks from like very, very, small things, and in comparison to how long they are now, or just to see where they are now, like, they've grown so much. But I guess when it's on your head, you just don't see it. There's been times I've just been like, are these things ever going to grow? And they are growing. I just have to be patient. And that's something that this journey definitely teaches you, is patience. It's got a bit more length where now I can comfortably wear it down, and it has a bit more shape to it. But you know what? I started my locks at the right time. I started my locks during the winter. So when it was going through that really awkward stage, nobody was really watching me. And when summer came, that's when they had grown enough for me to be able to wear it down and, have a little shape to my hair. So we got there. What gentle reminder would you give to another woman who's just beginning her own journey? Know exactly why you're starting the journey, and make sure it's definitely one for you. And just not care. You have to do it with a mindset of not caring what anybody else is going to think. Like, even now, look at my hair at the back. To me, it's misbehaving. Like, it's not. Like, why is it sticking out like that? I don't understand. What are you doing? But to be fair, I have not hydrated my hair a lot today, so it is a bit stiff. Share your enthusiasm about your hair journey with people who are enthusiastic and excited for you, because on the days where you're not feeling that cute, there will be your, you know, cheerleaders, there will be the people who encourage you, you know, the people that remind you of your true worth, you know, not the worth attached to your hair. But yeah, get creative. Look up YouTube videos, just stand in front of the mirror and like put your hands through your hair and kind of play with the shape of it and see what kind of styles you like, whether it's an updo or low ponytail, or put some clips in it. Just get creative, get some bobby pins, get some hair bands, and just have fun with your hair, because your hair will grow. So enjoy this stage. And another thing is that people with long locks actually end up saying that they kind of miss having shorter locks, because there are problems that come with having long locks as well. So we should appreciate this length too. You know, this length is worthy of being appreciated, so let's do it. And you know what, because I do question how long I'm actually gonna want my locks, because I don't like having long hair on my head. That's why I've cut my hair in the past, my natural hair, to like bold before, because I get fed up of having to do my hair or feel hair on my neck. Like, I really don't like feeling hair on my neck, on my skin. So yeah, I haven't had anything to hide behind. Okay, I had like the ponytail here and there, but I haven't really had, you know, a lot other than that to hide behind. I haven't put any wigs over my hair, I haven't put any locks over my hair. So it's just been a matter of having to embrace my hair and what it wants to do and how it looks, when it looks the way it looks, feeling beautiful regardless. That's not to say that it's always been easy, because there's been days where I've been like, I want to buy some clip-ins, because I've seen these clip-ins that you can buy that mimic locks, and you can just clip them in. I'm like, that will give me some more volume, you know, give me some more confidence. Because genuinely, it probably would have as well, but they were really expensive and I was just not gonna do that to myself. Like, I have locks on my head, just enjoy what you have on your head. By me embracing them, I will project that off onto other people, hopefully, to embrace whatever season they're going through, whether it's with their hair or whatever. It's like, well, okay, regardless of what's going on, you can still be confident, you can still feel worthy, and you can still show up. You know, there's so many instances where, like, you know, when you're getting ready and you're just like, oh, I can't be asked to go because this is not working out, this is not working. You're still worthy to show up regardless of having a good hair day or not. Like, it's the best hair journey I've ever been on ever, because my hair is forever changing. You know, it's grown into something very beautiful, one day at a time. My hands are always in my hair. I'm always feeling like how the locks themselves are forming, how they're maturing. And yeah, it's exciting. I really hope this video has encouraged people who are considering locks, already on the lock journey and just need a little pep talk, just a little bit of encouragement, just, you know, a familiar face with familiar hair to encourage them. Come over to my channel if you are ever feeling like, I don't know what to do with my hair, and you're not having a hair crisis and you're just like, I want to take them out. Like, don't do that. Just have a little look online. Like I said, come over to my channel. I will be uploading videos with different hairstyles, creative hairstyles that you can do. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask me them, and I will get back to you. And if you want to see any other videos related to my locks, please let me know, and I will aim to get them up and get them out to you guys. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I will be back very soon with another one. Okay.